This is Cora from CUH. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how to use our new controller SDVC35MRG do counting function. In this controller is black and it's all made of metal, the enclosure. It has many functions. It can help you do counting and it can help you do RS-485 communication, supports both RTU and SKYPE protocol. Also, if you it can also support Ethercat communication. So if I disassemble this panel, and you can insert your Ethercat or Profinet card into the controller. Also, it can connect with a vibration sensor, also called acceleration sensor. Can help you do automatic frequency and voltage research. It can do research with a physical sensor or without a physical sensor. But in this episode, I'm going to demonstrate you how to do counting with this controller. So suppose that you want to fit 10 screws in one bag. I set the total count to be 10. I want when it counts to 7, the speed will reduce to 75% of the original speed. So I will set here this parameter to 75%, and I want to when the count reaches 7, it will reduce 75% speed. So the counter A hat, this parameter, I set it to 3. And I want if the counting when the counting is finished and after 20 seconds, it will start recount again. So here I set this parameter to 20 seconds. This is the count number which I have set. Here is the setting number, and here is the real time number. If I set So in this controller, there are 9 groups. All the counting parameters are, you can refer to group 1 and group 2. Now I enter into group 1, and I press the knob here. So here is total count. Means when I count to, I want to set the count number to 10. I can make it to the right or to the left to increase or decrease the value. And here is clear time. Clear time, this time I set it to 20 seconds. Okay, next. Okay, then I want to go group 2. So I turn it right, and then I go to group 2. Here, the main logic, I set it to count. So when I connect the sensor to here, this terminates. And I open the controller, it will automatically start counting. We go ahead. Here we see this number. I want it to go 75% of the original speed. I can change here. And this one, I want it count to 7, then reduce the speed will slow down. So I change it to 3. If I want to when it counts to 8 and the speed slow down, I change it to 2. Okay. Okay, so we set all the parameters here. if I long press the knob, I go back to this display. Here I'm going to introduce this terminate. Here we have C terminates, C1, C2, C3, and E terminates, E1, E2, E3. This you can connect to your sensor. Here I connect NPN sensor to the E terminate. This is for counting. And our C terminate is used for reset the when it comes to the end. Here is, and this four are H terminal H, H1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for synchronize. And this terminal are A1, A2, A3. These are for remote speed control. And these are D1, 2, 3, and P1, 2, 3. This is for 24 volts DC output. Here I connect a relay to the D port. So when it comes to the end, the controller will give a signal to the relay. So you will see the relay, the light will off. It is similar to your PLC. Okay, now let's try to start. If I press this is an on-off button. If I press this, it will start to count. So 1, 6, counts to 7. Now 8, 9, 10. When it counts to 10, it will automatically stop. And when it stops, if you want it to start again, you can just give a signal. You can short circuit C1 and C2. Here, then it reset to 0. So I start to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before I said if it counts to 7, the speed will reduce to 70%. So 7. And 8, 9, 10. If I don't short circuit the C1 and C2, I wait for 20 seconds. It will start. It will reset again. So now we can wait for 20 seconds. Now you see it reset again. I can hear the voltage is not high. It's only 37 volts. If I set it higher, then we can see this more clearly. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? If to 7, then the ball slowing down. The ball is slowing down. 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is the end of this demonstration. If you have any question, you can write to me. My email is wr@cuhng.com.